Little Early English Education.
Hello, super learners. Today we are drawing number block 1200. 1200 is huge. Let's draw him step by step. First, draw one big rectangle. This is the complete shape for number block 1200. Inside the rectangle, draw 2 vertical lines and 3 horizontal lines, or add another rectangle for our 200 tiny blocks. Now, add 30 vertical lines going top to bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Yay! 30 vertical lines complete. Now, draw 40 horizontal lines across. Ready, everyone? Let's count together in 30s. 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180, 210, 240, 270, 300, 330, 360, 390, 420, 450, 480, 510, 570, 600, 630, 660, 690, 720, 750, 780, 810, 840, 870, 900, 930, 960, 990, 1020, 1050, 1080, 1110, 1140, 1170, and 1200. Now, let's make his face. Draw 2 thick eyebrows. Draw 2 big eyes near the top middle. Then add a wide, confident smile just below them. Now, draw a curvy arm on each side of his body. Then, draw 2 short legs at the bottom. Finally, write his number on top and 1200. That's his number badge, and it shows he's made of 12 hundreds. Fantastic work! You've drawn number block 1200. Now let's color him in and bring him to life. Let's start with black. B-L-A-C-K. Use it to color the pupils of his eyes. Next, pick pink color in eye outlines, eyebrows, smile. Spell P-I-N-K, dark pink.
Tick-tock, tick-tock, drawing time never stops. Color softly, color lightly, make the picture
Now we'll use red color hands and feet. Spell R-E-D.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We color and we count alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We can start it all again. This is learning with our heart. This is fun and this is art. Drawing every little part makes the magic truly start.
Now, color the center 200 block with light orange. Spell O-R-A-N-G-E. Light orange. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200. Color the entire 1,000 block grid with red except the 200 light orange center you already made. So final full body equals red plus center 200 equals light orange. Number block 1200. Look at me, 1200 standing strong.
Delight, we can shade it, we can blend it, make the colors match and mix. Drawing shapes and counting numbers is a perfect learning fix. 1 block, 2 blocks, 3 blocks tall, 4 blocks, 5 blocks, stack them all. 6 and 7, 8 and 9, 10 blocks standing in a line. Now we color one by one, add each tone with careful hands. Number blocks can teach us counting, number blocks can make us stand. Every color brings a feeling, every line brings new design. Learning math and art together makes the brain and heart align. Counting higher, counting further, 20, 30, 40 more. Numbers rising like a tower, bigger blocks than ever before. Fill the colors in between, keep it neat and keep it right. Drawing number blocks together is a happy, joyful sight. Color corner, color center, fill each box from left to right. Make the picture super pretty, shining, glowing, clean and bright. We are artists, we are learners, we are builders. Pick a color, pick a shade, let the drawing time begin. Make a square and stack another, build the number block within. Every line we draw is magic, every stroke is clean and slow. Drawing makes our world creative, this is how the numbers grow. How? Color softly, color gently, fill the picture nice and bright. Red and pink and purple, yellow, turn the page into the light. We can shade it, we can blend it, make the colors match and mix. Drawing shapes and counting numbers is a perfect learning fix. 1 block, 2 blocks, 3 blocks tall, 4 blocks, 5 blocks, stack them all. 6 and 7, 8. Let's go! Let's go!
Let's start a brand new picture. Take your pencil nice and light. Make a shape, make a block, make the lines all clean and right. Every number starts as shapes, little boxes side by side. Drawing number blocks together.
You did it! Number block 1200 is complete. You made a giant math hero today. I am 1200, 12 great hundreds. 12 hundreds? That was epic!
Magic we can never crush. Yow!
Counting higher, counting lower, up and down and back again. Every number tells a story, 1 to 10 and 10 to 10.
We can color while we learn, we can learn while we create. Number blocks are friendly friends and learning always feels so great.
Coloring top to bottom.
Let's draw the number blocks nice and neat on the page. Rectangle shapes we begin, step by step like a stage. Line goes up, line goes down, every block in the right space.
share,
Drawing is fun, slow,
subscribe.
we don't
Thanks for watching.